Oh boy. Okay, you're chasing me. It's not turning out well for me. Bubba! Buster! Uh-oh. Are we gonna do to turn around? Come on, let's turn. Go, Bubba, go! Oh, uh-oh.
Turn it. You're cheating, Bubba. You're cheating. You're cheating.
He's kind of cruising even when he's walking on his knees. Yes, don't push him. Bustaboo, what are you doing? You're a silly goose. Uh-oh.
There you go. Wheels need to be fixed.
What?
Wheels aren't really.
He's so big.
You're the way. Whoa, that's where you're going.
Bubba!
Crazy man.
Yes! Oh gosh, you're really fast.
Go get your mom.
Dude, good thing we have a big house. Is he gonna hit me? I can't really see. Oh! He keeps pushing his buttons. It's cracked up. Bubba! Are you watching HGTV? Hi! Buster!
You're gonna cheat, aren't you? Yeah.
He's fast. Bubba-boo!
Go, 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 go. Go, go, go.
Hi, Buster. He doesn't want it anymore. Say bye-bye, Bubba. Buster. Max. Max.
He's trying to get to you.
Max.
Stop right there, mister.
Bye bye, Bubba.